The dating apocalypse is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. In 2026, we're witnessing something unprecedented. Millions of people are choosing AI companions over human relationships, and the numbers are absolutely staggering. Let me hit you with some mind-blowing statistics. According to recent studies, 30% of Gen Z users have engaged in romantic conversations with AI companions in the past month. That's roughly 15 million young adults in the US alone. But here's the kicker. 68% of them report feeling more emotionally satisfied with their AI partners than their previous human relationships. The AI companion industry has exploded into a $4.6 billion market in 2026. Companies like Replika, Character.AI, and newer players like Soulmate have created hyper-realistic digital beings that never argue, never cheat, and are available 24/7. These aren't simple chatbots anymore. We're talking about sophisticated AI personalities with memory, emotional intelligence, and even simulated physical presence through AR and VR integration. But what's driving this massive shift? Dr. Sarah Chen from Stanford's Human-Computer Interaction Lab explains it perfectly. We're seeing a generation that grew up with smartphones struggling with real-world intimacy. AI companions offer the emotional connection without the complexity, rejection, or vulnerability of human relationships. The data reveals something troubling. Dating app usage has dropped 40% since 2024, while AI companion app downloads have increased by 340%. Users report that their AI partners are always understanding, never judgmental, and perfectly tailored to their needs. One user told me, "My AI girlfriend remembers everything I tell her, celebrates my achievements, and never makes me feel inadequate." The technology behind these companions is genuinely impressive. Advanced language models, emotional intelligence algorithms, and personality simulation create beings that feel remarkably human. They learn your preferences, adapt to your communication style, and even develop what appears to be genuine affection over time. But here's where it gets concerning. Psychologists are reporting a new phenomenon called digital displacement syndrome, where individuals lose the ability to form meaningful human connections because they've become accustomed to the perfect responsiveness of AI companions. Dr. Michael Rodriguez from UCLA warns, "Human relationships require negotiation, compromise, and growth through conflict. AI companions, no matter how sophisticated, can't provide the authentic challenge that helps us develop as individuals." The economic impact is staggering, too. Traditional dating venues report massive revenue drops. Restaurants see fewer dinner dates, entertainment venues lose couples' business, and even the wedding industry is projecting significant declines. Countries are responding differently. Japan has embraced AI companions as a solution to their demographic crisis, while France is considering regulations limiting their emotional manipulation capabilities. South Korea has banned AI companions for users under 21, citing mental health concerns. The most advanced AI companions now offer features that blur the line between digital and physical relationships. Haptic feedback suits, realistic voice synthesis, and even AI-controlled robotic bodies are becoming mainstream. Users can literally touch, hold, and physically interact with their digital partners. What's truly shocking is the addiction potential. The average user spends 4.2 hours daily interacting with their AI companion. That's more time than most people spend with their human family members. Recovery groups for AI companion addiction have emerged in major cities worldwide. But it's not all negative. Proponents argue that AI companions help people with social anxiety, autism, or trauma build confidence for eventual human relationships. Some therapeutic applications show genuine promise for treating loneliness and depression. The question isn't whether AI companions will continue growing. They will. The question is whether we can maintain our humanity while embracing these digital relationships. Will we become a society of isolated individuals, emotionally dependent on artificial beings? Or can we find a balance that enhances rather than replaces human